Check out this Nissan 2011 Titan SV. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: SV Value Truck Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM CD audio system, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning and Bluetooth hands-free phone system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.